I want to end by asking you what your favorite Yiddish word is and why.
Bulbe, or bulbes for potatoes, because it sounds like a potato, because it sounds like bulbous, and that's so perfect for potatoes, and it's just such a fun word to say. I don't know, I really love that word. I don't know, yeah. Also bear, because it's the exact same word in English, and it's funny, and I like when I was at the first few weeks of the class, I was like going up to people and being like, hey, you know how to say bear in Yiddish? And they're like, how? And I'd be like, bear. And they'd be like, whoa, bear. I'd be like, I know, bear, it's great. Yeah, it's been really fun to kind of do that to people, but yeah.
Well, you had that ready as soon as I asked. You
Yeah.
knew exactly which word.
No, vegetables are always funny in any language, like, oh my God, malafafon for cucumber, ukake for cucumber, it's just like any language, it's funny, and it's great, and it's fun to say, and it makes cooking a lot more fun because you're thinking about I cook a lot, so like I'm thinking about the words for the food in the other languages while I'm making it. I'm like, yeah, it smells like the way that word sounds. Or yeah, it's cooking the way the word sounds. You know what I mean? I don't know, that might be kind of a weird thing to say, but yeah, it happens all the time.